Okay, we're going to do sample versus population. It's a modified day, and this is the perfect lesson for a modified day. Your homework is going to be the front side. Your homework is going to be the front side. Now remember, if you forget to grab a homework, which I don't understand why you would forget, you can always find a copy of the homework online. And if you don't see it, email me, and I'll publish it. Okay. Sample versus population. Does anybody know what do I mean when I say sample versus population in the world? It's not really a math thing. It's a in the world thing.
Human.
Yeah. Population would be the humans, yes. But what is it when it comes to sample?
Food.
Costco food. You know what, Kevin? You're not that wrong though. Have you guys been to Costco and grabbed a
Sample.
now
like a little bit.
A little bit, right? The sample is y'all done that, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I hope so. You have not lived until you've been to the Sam's do the same thing?
Yeah.
No, okay.
Sometimes.
Okay, Sam's and Costco, if you go, please go. They give you a sample of food, which is just a little bit of the whole packet, right? If they're sampling ice cream, the whole box would be the population, and the sample would be the little tiny piece of ice cream they give you, just to sample it, to see if you like it. And then I'll go around like 2-3 times, you know? And I'm like, oh, this is for my baby. It's over there. Give me another one. There's no baby. It's for me.
Mm-hmm.
I am the baby.
So what are the samples?
Yes. So, population, let's define it, is everyone. 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 Whatever we're talking about, everyone. In Costco, it would be like the whole bag of XYZ. Now, sample is part of the population. Okay? Population is everyone, and sample is just part of the population. Okay. Surprise! We're having a pizza party. Woo! Yay, Audrey, but no, she's on her phone, so we can't. Cancel that. Never mind. That was fun when it lasted, huh? I know. Let's pretend she didn't have her phone out. We're gonna have a pizza party. Yay, pizza party! But what toppings are we gonna get?
Pepperoni.
Now, population. Who's getting the pizza?
Us.
Everybody in second period. That's the population. Everybody who is here. Sorry, Dominic. Is gonna get some pizza because it's a pizza party today. Surprise! Woo! Okay. Now, I have to order it right now. Like right now. I don't have time to ask every single person in the population what they want as a topping. I just don't. I don't. I'm sorry. I gotta order it now. So I'm going to ask a sample of the population, a part of the population. Hey, what do you want as toppings? Whatever they say, the mode, whatever is chosen the most, we're gonna go with it. So, hey, what topping should I get?
Pepperoni. Bro just said pepperoni.
What are you getting? What's that? Oh, Jesus. Oh my gosh. So, the sample was very, very, very tough to decide, but they all went with pepperoni. So I asked these 4 guys. So they all said pepperoni, so I'm going to buy pepperoni for all. Now, did everybody want pepperoni? Maybe 1 or 2 of you are like, oh man, I don't really like pepperoni. I'll just take it off. But yay! Alright, so do we understand? So this is where we're not doing a lot of math. We're talking and we're listening and we're seeing what I mean. So population would be everybody in the class getting pizza. Yay! But I don't have time to ask all of you. So I asked just a sample. 4 people is a sample. Alright? Do we understand that? Okay, cool. Now, something else we got to talk about. Uh-oh. Okay. Bias. Right? Yeah. Bias and then unbiased. Leave some space. Does anybody know what bias and unbiased mean?
Nope.
set. You know, you're set in your way. This is what's gonna happen. I can't change your mind. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I know. Okay. The school just got $1,000 donation, but the donor said, "Hey, it has to go to sports," and we're like, "Okay, cool. Kids play sports. Yeah, we'll do it. We'll do it." Okay. But I don't know. Where should we spend the money? So I go to Jacob. Hey, Jacob, we got $1,000. Which sports in our school should get those $1,000?
Soccer.
He said soccer. I am shocked. But am I?
No.
No, because I know that Jacob is biased to
Soccer.
soccer. He plays soccer. He enjoys soccer. He would want our soccer team to have more money. But is it fair just to ask Jacob, where do we spend this money?
No.
No, Joanna. He is a bias. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So it's not like, sometimes it's bias, could be like, what do I want to say? I'm choosing the wrong person to ask because he has his mindset on soccer, right? So he's going to go put all the money in soccer. Anybody else play a different sport here? Sienna? So if I ask Sienna, hey Sienna, where should we spend the $1,000 on? Sienna's going to say? Volleyball, right? But is she biased? Yeah, she's biased. Okay, so bias is you already have a predetermined nation, like you already know I'm going to spend all my money on soccer. For example, I have a $2,000, but we want to know, should we spend it on library books or should we spend it on soccer, basketball, volleyball, all the balls for outside a lunch? So I'm going to go ask the people in the library that hang out in the library. Hey kids, we have $2,000. Do you want to buy it on books or sports equipment for lunch? What are they going to say? Books, because they're at the library. So they're more inclined to be like, yeah, let's fill this library up with more books. So that would be bias. Okay, I am going to ask everybody in this seminar, hey, take this survey. Let me know where we should spend our money on. So all the kids during seminar, they take this survey. Have you guys taken surveys during seminar?
Yes.
Yeah. And we're going to ask them where to spend the $2,000. And I get all these results. Is that biased or unbiased?
Unbiased.
Unbiased. Because I'm asking just random kids, right? I'm not asking the kids that I know play soccer or play another sport like volleyball, because they're biased. I'm not asking the kids in the library because they probably like to read and be in the library, right? But if I ask everyone during seminar, those are all random kids, right? I don't know if you like the library. I don't know if you play sports. So that's unbiased. Does that make a little bit more sense?
Yes.
Okay, I want to know what's better, Knott's Berry Farm or Disneyland?
Disneyland.
Now, if you've never been to Knott's, should you be voting? No, because you really don't know. Now, Disneyland sounds magical, and it is magical, trust me.
It is.
But Knott's Berry Farm, if you like fast, scary roller coasters, you might like Knott's Berry Farm because it has those scary roller coasters. Or like, what is it during Halloween?
Miss.
The fright, when they scare you.
Knott's
You
Scary
pay,
Farm?
yeah, you pay to get scared. Who would do that?
Me.
No. You pay to get scared?
Just watch a horror movie.
Serious? I mean, like, don't. Okay, anyways. So, I'm going to ask 500 people, hey, what do you like better? Knott's Berry Farm or Disneyland? So I go and I stand in front of Disneyland, and as they're coming out, I'm like, hey, please vote. Do you like Disneyland better or Knott's Berry? Is that a good thing to do? No. What's wrong with it? What makes it biased?
Because they already went to Disneyland.
Yeah, I'm standing right in front of Disneyland, right? So obviously, they're probably going to say Disneyland. But what if I go over here to Target on Bristol and I ask 200 people walking at a Target, yo people, what do you like better, Disneyland or Knott's? Is that biased or unbiased?
Unbiased.
Unbiased, because we're far away from it, right? And that Target probably has people that are local that probably have been to Disney and Knott's, right? Because they're so close, right?
Yeah.
So, and it's random. They're not leaving Disneyland, obviously, right? Kind of like if I were to go to the movie theater, Jesus, the movie theater, and I'm like, hey, I wonder if people like comedies or horror movies. So I stand outside of the movies. where should I stand? Outside just the movies, or should I stand out of like right outside the door of a scary movie?
The movies.
Outside of the movies, right? Because outside of the movies, I can get everybody who's coming out of watching a kids movie, a scary movie, a comedy. If I stand right outside of the door of the theater of a scary movie, well, they all went to go see a scary movie, so they're probably going to say scary movie, right? So, what we're trying to we're trying to make you understand just by talking. Look, we're not even doing any math. We're so not doing math today. The difference between bias and unbiased. Okay? I'm just going to grab a pen here. And here I'm going to just I'm not going to make a note or anything. Just going to, hey Jackie, I want to know, not for a grade or anything like that.
I forgot to open it.
Hey Jackie, what's your favorite subject in school? It's not for a grade or anything, just holding my pen, ready to go. Oh, math. Oh, good. I'm so happy. Let's give her 100 points for that. Now, is that a bias or an unbiased?
Unbiased. I meant bias.
Bias, because who's asking her? Her math
math
teacher, right? And her math teacher looks like she's going to take off some points if she doesn't say math, which is true. So if I want to know what your favorite subject is, can I, like, call you out in public right in front of me? No, that would make it biased. That would make you just a little bit maybe want to say math, even if it's not true. You would like, I don't want to say anything else, so I'll say math. But if I gave you a survey where you don't write your name and you just take it, that would make it unbiased if you just take it on your iPad. Does that make sense to you a little? Okay. This is 7th grade math, believe it or not. I don't know. I have to teach it to you. Okay, bias. How would I define bias? How would I unbiased? Biased. How would I define it? I'm having a hard time defining it. Unbiased is random people. Bias is they already know the, I don't know how to define it. Gosh, can you help me out? Already know. Let me see. They already know the answer.
Our friend said that they banned ChatGPT.
Off the Wi-Fi?
Unfair.
And then just turn off the Wi-Fi.
Unfair. Let's see. Oh, personal preference.
How are you gonna
With
switch it up with
T-Mobile.
Personal
5G.
on your iPad. I is not we.
I can use my hotspot on my phone.
Okay. Bias. They already know the answer. It's unfair. It's a personal preference. Kind of like Jacob and Sienna. Their personal preference is soccer and volleyball. So they already have that set. So it's unfair to ask them. It's unfair for me to ask Jackie, being her math teacher, hey, what's your favorite subject? Obviously that's not fair. I already knew Jacob's answer. I already knew he was going to say soccer. That's why I chose him. Because I know that he plays soccer, so who's going to say soccer? Unbiased. Random people. I don't know what they like, what they don't like. Like, for example, if I say, hey, should we allow students to sell things to other students at school?
Whoa.
I love how you all incriminate each other. Who should I not ask?
People that sell.
People that sell, right? Because what would they say?
So
Yeah.
don't ask.
Yeah, right? So they already have a personal preference of, no, we should. There should be no liability if I accidentally poison someone. Anyways, let's go. Okay. So, I hope that you understand two things. The difference between population and sample. Population's everyone. Everyone's getting pizza. But who chooses the toppings? A sample. Biased and unbiased. What happened? What? Well, I was, but then and then that happened, and then I'm like, no.
What happened?
You broke.
Oh,
You broke.
yeah. Yeah, that's true. I haven't gotten paid. Lots of expenses. We get paid, teachers get paid once a month.
That's a lot. No.
Some people get paid twice a month. Some people get paid every Friday. Some people get paid every other Friday.
Everyone gets paid every 2 weeks.
Every day.
Every 2 weeks.
I get paid
Woo!
every day.
Mucho dinero.
Carmen gets paid every day.
So does mine.
So does Mondo.
It's enough. It's enough to keep up my shoes.
I used to get paid every day.
Same, I make $25.
Well, I could have made. I actually made one day. I actually made like $10.
Miss or missing?
Yes.
I always made like $10 a day.
Oh.
Yeah, I made $250 out of selling.
My 3-pointer? Oh, that. This one, like, I didn't count. I have 1,000.
Do you urgently spend it? You urgently need it?
Like vegetable?
Yeah. Do you urgently need it right now? All right. You were supposed to give this back to your teacher?
No. That was the one thing yesterday.
Okay. Okay. Okay, let's do this. Okay, are the holes on the left side?
Oh.
There's a number 2 at the bottom. Number
Yep.
2 at the bottom?
Yes.
Alright, cool. This is more reading than math, Kalani. Let's.
Are we sitting?
Okay, I'll read them out to you. We'll do the first side together. A mayor wanted to see if the people in his town thought he was doing a good job. Okay? Which choice best represents population? Now, population is everyone. Okay? So, A, the residents of 6 neighborhoods, the people who voted for the mayor, 1,000 unemployed voters, the residents of the town.
That was the town.
C.
That would be the population. Population is everyone. Everyone
Of the town.
of the town.
Oh, yeah.
So, which is our correct answer for
The
population?
residents of the town.
The residents of the town.
I knew that. Yeah.
D.
You definitely knew that.
That would be population. Everybody. Population. All right. Number 2. A musician wanted to see what people thought about his latest album. A musician wanted to see what people who bought his last album thought about the songs. Which choice best represents the sample? Not a biased sample, a true unbiased sample.
C.
A selection of 3,200 people who bought the album. Every person from the age 5 to 12 who bought the album. Every person who bought the album. 232 girls who bought the album.
C.
D.
Okay, C is population. We're asking for a sample. So C is not okay because that would be population.
B.
So, of the 3 that are left, I'm looking for the most unbiased group. So, unbiased is like random people.
B.
They don't have a personal preference.
A.
What's wrong with D? What makes D biased?
They bought the album. Every person.
What's wrong with D?
It was girls.
232 girls.
Girls. So are girls going to think maybe differently than boys?
Yeah.
Yeah. So the girls part makes it biased. No bueno.
It's A.
What about B? What's wrong with B? What makes
It's
it biased?
5 through 12.
5 through 12. So is a 12-year-old going to say something different than a 20-year-old?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Like if we all bought Justin Bieber, we might have different opinions. You might like his songs, and I'm going to be like,
Did you see Coachella?
Okay. A selection of 3,286 people who bought the album.
That one.
This would be a sample, a good sample. It's just random people. We're not discriminating based on ages or narrowing it down based on ages or females and males. So that's the perfect one, A. All right, let's look at number 3. A beverage company wanted to see if people in the United States like their new logo. Which best represents population, meaning everyone?
Every person in the United States of America.
145 males and female employees, children ages 5 through 15, a selection of shoppers from different states, every person in the United States. That is a lot of people. Okay, let me ask you this, Sienna and everybody. Which one would be a good sample? A, B, or C? Which one would be a good sample? Yes, C would be the best sample. They're not asking you for sample, but if you can identify the sample, great. You're learning, you're understanding what I was trying to teach you today. It's a weird topic to teach, but it's a 7th grade standard, so here we go. A restaurant chain wanted to find out how the customer experience was in a store. Which best represents a population of the store?
All the people who ate at the store.
Yeah, B. B would be a good population. Everybody who ate at the store. That would be a lot of people too, right? Let me ask everyone who goes to Disneyland. It's too much. It's too much. All right, number 5. A toy store owner tracking how much kids spend each month on toys. Which choice represents a population?
D.
Yeah. Okay. Let me ask you for number 5. Which one would be the best sample? Which one would be the best sample?
D. B.
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 What's wrong with A? You're just asking the boys. What's wrong with C? You're asking rich kids. So they're more likely to buy more toys, right? But B, it would be a good sample because, you know, a bunch of kids, ages 10 through 15. I mean, I don't love the ages, but it's better than just asking boys and rich kids. All right, number 6. A survey company wanted to try... A survey company was trying to see if people in a state thought the pollution was too high. Which choice best represents a sample?
D.
A selection of people from each neighborhood in the state. Every person who sent a complaint. Every person in the state. That's your population. A selection of people who live in a dirty neighborhood.
A.
Hey, love these choices.
Me too.
All right. Give you guys about 2 minutes to try to do the backside on your own. Hey Siri, set timer for 2 minutes. Just
2 minutes starting now.
try. My key to for you, everybody, is circle. Is it population or is it sample? If it's population, you're looking for everyone. If you're looking for everyone on population, just try your best. It's a weird topic. I know.
Miss, I think I did it. I'm already done. Okay.
Give her a couple more minutes.
Let's see.
So she was grabbing the Jolly Ranchers.
Me too.
Aw.
I thought you were grabbing the Jolly Ranchers.
Sorry. I were to survey, what's the best Jolly Rancher flavor?
Red.
I tried the blue and I was like, why are kids loving blue? I don't know. I didn't love it.
Red.
But my taste buds. But there's two types of red.
Oh, watermelon.
Mm-hmm.
No, I like cherry. Cherry better. I like cherry better.
That's the third one.
All right. Okay. Number 1. What'd you guys get for population?
C.
C. Very good. Good job.
D.
Okay. Number 2. D. All voters. Okay.
C.
C.
B.
Yep.
C.
What?
D.
And
C and then D.
D. Any questions on any of those?
Nope.
Biased and unbiased.
I think that was 43 or 42.
43.
Really? I thought it was 1.
I thought it was 42.
42. All right. Are we okay? I mean, I feel like this is 100% very different math, but this is math, believe it or not. Thank you.
City Goose University. What does EST mean?
Established.
Oh.
All right. I'm going to pass out la tarea. And I'm going to try to grade the homework in the last, so we have 4 minutes, so please stay in your seats. There's no need to get up. I'm going to pass out the homework.
2 minutes, right?
42. What time is it?
9:37. So we have like at least
3 minutes.
Yeah, but I'm going to grade your homework.
Yeah. Yes, do we turn this on campus? It's not like a forest. I know. Wait.
All right. You can work on your green box, your classwork.
Mr. Greenbox closes on Sunday, right?
Saturday.
I'm gonna do it on Friday night.
Totally.
Just the front page. Is this the front? Yep.
Yep.
Just the front, no evens, no offs.
Correct. Remember, you can only use one homework task per week. If you have more, one homework task per week.
I'm gonna send this.
Oh, we're gonna send the big one?
Yeah.
I'll go with
Because when I did it all the time,
It's just
Kevin, are you dying?
because
That cannot be spicy.
cut them all in
Is this spicy?
no, it's like this one.
Oh.
Well, it's in soccer. Like, he has to do like security guesses. And he goes, I take the ball and win. Okay. then I run right at Coach Darwin. Darwin.
The one on the side? The one that was on the...
Oh, the one that was defender for the Oh no. No, 2 more minutes.